James Ferguson here with Ferganized, and I'm going to do a follow-up video to my Flowbee video. I've been using this for almost 2 years now, and I love it. I haven't had a professional haircut since the beginning of 2020 when the pandemic hit. I've learned some things and I'm going to share them with you. Okay, so first of all, the Flowbee comes with, this is called the head with the hose, and I have here the vacuum adapter which connects to my vacuum. And then we have the spacers, 2 large, 2 medium. It should come with 1 small. I guess I lost the other one. And these are 2 medium angled, so they're at an angle, kind of curved a little bit. These are called footers. Okay, so we have a angled footer, like a 45-degree angle, and a straight flat footer. Also the oil, you're supposed to put on 3 drips every time I use it. I oil it once in a while. And of course the power adapter. So something I learned recently is that you're supposed to put the footers on the bottom of the spacers. I haven't actually done that, so I've been kind of doing it wrong, I just learned. So let's see, the footer. Okay, so you're going to want to squeeze the middle of the footer a little bit. Something I learned recently is that you're going to want to put the footer on the bottom of the spacers. I was doing it wrong in the previous video where I only used the spacer, and what was happening, it was sucking my skin up into the vacuum, into the blades. Luckily I didn't get cut. But you're supposed to put the spacer on this footer on the bottom of the spacer so that it doesn't suck up your skin. That's a big lesson I learned and something I wanted to correct. What else I learned is how to figure out how long you want to make it. The safest way is just to put the 2 large spacers together and go from there. So what you can do, you put the spacer on your head and then lift your hair up behind it, and that's how short it will cut. So if you can see that. So I think I'm going to try that, 2 large spacers. And to cut your hair is easy. Basically you cut it long in the top and short on the sides, and use the angled footer when you do the sides. So let's go ahead and cut my hair. Also, you don't have to do it in the bathroom. I'm going to do it out in the front room this time. I have more room for filming and it doesn't make a mess. The vacuum sucks up all your hair, so you don't have to do it in the bathroom. There's no mess to it. So let's get going. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is get your vacuum cleaner. I got mine down here. Get the end of your vacuum cleaner, detach the hose, and attach this adapter. Now the better you put this, the more suction there will be, and the stronger it'll suck your hair up into the blades, and the quicker it will cut your hair. Let's get this on. So I'm just putting this adapter, I already had it here, and I'm putting it up over the end of my vacuum cleaner hose as tight as I can. There we go. Pull it more on this side as well. If I can get these touching, that's best. Okay. Now that that is on and attached, I'm going to attach my spacers with the footer on the bottom. I'm going to cut all of my hair first. and then I'll do the sides a little shorter. Okay, here we go. Okay, first thing, turn on the vacuum cleaner. Then turn on the Flowbee head. Oh, something I forgot, to plug in the Flowbee head. The Flowbee head plugs in right here on the at the end of the Flowbee hose. Right there. And of course the other end into your plug. So the vacuum cleaner first, then the Flowbee head. Okay, so I'm finding I want it a little bit shorter than this. So all you gotta do is take off one of these. And I believe two of these equals, two mediums equals one large. So what I can do is put one medium, and that will cut the large in half. So I'm squeezing the large, then attaching the medium. So let's try it at this length. Again, squeezing it until it attaches. There we go. Be careful too when you're sliding it over your head because it could come off. It's better to kind of slide but at the same time lift up and down. Okay, so again, the vacuum first, then the Flowbee head. And when you turn it off, turn the header off first, and then the vacuum cleaner. Okay, now for the sides, you want to do it a bit smaller. So what I'm going to do, first of all, get the angled footer. And this was much easier to do with the footer now. The air flows and it doesn't get caught on your skin. So I'm gonna take a medium and the footer. So you're gonna wanna squeeze the footer. Oh, wrong way, this way. Okay, now take a look at the angle. This will go on this side. Then you'll have to turn it over to do the other side. So now with the angle, you just do the side and the back. That'll give you your tapered look for the sides. So connect it. Okay, so this will go on this side. Let's go ahead. Vacuum first, then header. Now to do the other side, just turn it upside down. Now it'll fit going this way. So now I'll go ahead and take a shower and a shave and let you know the end results. Okay, hi, I'm back. That wasn't long, was it? Well, I got my fresh shave and my fresh shower and my fresh haircut by Flowbee. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.